Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to play PC games on your mobile device. So if you're trying to play a paid PC game without purchasing it, then you should know that there isn't a legitimate way to bypass the game's purchase requirement. However, you can use your legitimate remote play or cloud gaming services if the game and your account support them. For example, if you already own a compatible PC game, then you may be able to stream it to your phone using an official or supported remote play service. For that, you'll need a stable internet connection and a compatible device. You can also look for free-to-play games available on mobile or legitimate cloud platforms, and avoid downloading pirated game files or modified APKs claiming to provide paid PC games for free. So that was how to play compatible PC games on mobile through legitimate methods. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.